on time for something this year. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is TT for those you don't know, and for those you do, thank you for joining the wig review. Today's wig review was sponsored by the company ISEE. They sent me over a unit to review for you guys, so go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give you my 3 cents of whether you should pick in this video. Let's go. That they sent over to review is part of the ISEE cap wear and go. Stock card said it has maximum lace size, minimal knots, air shape, match combs, mimic forehead contour, mark of authenticity. It also comes with a 3D cap design which makes the lace lay flat and snug along the hairline, as you can see right here. So this is a demonstration of what the cap on the inside of the wig looks like. Mimic the forehead contour. Two of my favorite features are the first one, an M shape. I have a widow's peak naturally, so it already gives my head an M shape. So I do appreciate wigs that match my head shape because of the widow's peak and the shape of my face. It just goes with my face beautifully. So I really enjoy that. It also allows for the wig to lay flat, like very, very flat. Like they really took their time to create this unit. Because as you can see, I have no glue. I didn't color the lace. I just took it out of the box and I put it on my head. And this is it. I did add some heat right here and some mousse just so I could lay it flat. Because there was a hump right there that I needed to remove. It just didn't look right. So I was trying to achieve a more seamless look on both sides of the unit. So this is the 6 inches and this is the 9 inches for the glueless effect. This is a great beginner friendly unit because you could get ready in 5 minutes. Like no lie, 5 minutes. You just put it on and go. You don't have to glue it down. You don't have to tint the lace. You just put it on and go, and you have countless opportunities of how you could style this unit. So let's see if we can come up with 3 for the sake of this video. Okay, so this is one. Okay, don't play with me. let's recap. What are the things that I love about the unit? The M cap shape. I do love that it's glueless. I can get ready in 5 minutes and not be late, because honey, sometimes I'll be late everywhere I go because I'm trying to lay down lace and I'm trying to do better in 2024. So icy hair, good call. I might just be on time for something this year. Okay, what else do I like? 9x6, 9x6. Countless styles I could do with this. I'm not stuck to just one style. Love it. I also love the C shape around my ear, because sometimes these wigs be digging in my little ear, and my ears are not that big. I think they're average size. So is it hard to ask for? No, I don't think it's hard. I don't think that's a big ask that y'all can't just put that on every wig. I appreciate that. My ear is not suffering. My ear said thank you, ISEE hair. What else do I love? I love that you can take out the adjustable straps, because sometimes, depending on the wig cap I have under the wig, I do not need adjustable straps. I do not need the adjustable straps, and because I cannot remove them, they're like digging in the back of my neck. I almost have to remove them or not put them at all, and then they're like all over the place, like right here. And I'm like, I hope nobody can't see that it's not connected and know it's a wig. But because this one is removable, no problem there. So I really love that these features on this wig. I love that it has kinky edges. That's one thing I didn't tell you guys. Can you see it has kinky edges? So yeah, love this. So I will leave a link down in the description where you could go ahead and purchase this unit. Go ahead and say thank you, ISEE hair, in the comment section, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.